Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Apple Watch Series SE with your iPhone. First, make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS. Then, power on your Apple Watch SE and keep it close to your iPhone. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone, and the pairing process should start automatically. You'll be guided to align your watch face within a specific frame on your phone's screen. This initial step is crucial for a smooth connection. After successful pairing, you'll move on to customizing your settings. You'll be prompted to decide if the watch is for you or a family member. Next, review and accept the terms and conditions. It's important to create a secure passcode for your Apple Watch SE to protect your data. Finally, personalize your viewing experience by selecting your desired text size and whether you want bold text. These steps ensure your watch is tailored to your preferences. Now, let's talk about data synchronization and apps. You'll have the option to restore your Apple Watch SE from a previous backup or set it up as a brand new device. Make sure to sign in with your Apple ID to ensure all your data, including contacts and calendars, syncs perfectly. You can choose to install recommended apps immediately or skip this step and add them later. Remember, your health and activity data will automatically transfer, keeping your fitness journey on track. If you encounter any connection issues, here are some quick troubleshooting tips. First, always confirm that both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active on your iPhone. A simple restart of both your iPhone and Apple Watch SE can often resolve minor glitches. Regularly check for and install software updates on both devices to ensure compatibility and performance. For the best connection, keep your iPhone and Apple Watch within a range of about 10 meters, or 33 feet.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.